A University City family recorded the water rushing into their children's bedroom, and now that video has gone viral. Good evening, I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Our Pepper Baker joins us now live with a look at that damage. Pepper.
Mike, and yeah, water came rushing down and collected into their window well here, and then eventually the pressure caused the window to break and the water just flooded their entire first floor. After seeing the video, I had to reach out to the family to get a look inside. Shamika Lewis posted this video during Monday night's flooding from her home in University City. Her husband, Antonio Lewis, showed me the aftermath 2 days later.
This is the boys' room.
And that's the window.
That's the window.
After seeing the storm alerts on their phones, they moved their kids upstairs. Moments later, glass shattered.
My son, he yells to me, "Oh my God, damn, the glass is broke in my room." You know, so we run down and we're looking like, oh no, I'm just yelling at her, go get your phone, go get your phone. We gotta, you know, you gotta record this, you know, for insurance. You know, I'm thinking, you know, we gotta just get this on video.
Unfortunately, this isn't the first flood they've dealt with in the 9 years living there.
3 or 4, could be 5, I lost count.
They're contracted with the Habitat for Humanity. Lewis says the insurance is complicated.
But what was told to me is this wasn't a flood area and flood insurance isn't offered. That's what I was told initially. So other than that, I was paid out before for previous floods. But I'm being told that since it's outside water, they're not going to cover it.
Now all 7 of them are split between 2 bedrooms upstairs.
You got to keep it strong for the kids, especially me. I can't break. You know, it's hard to, you know, see them up here and, you know, they've had to sacrifice it every time.
He knows they're not the only one impacted, and for all the other St. Louisans who weathered the storm, he says,
you'll be able to get through it. I mean, this storm is over, and it'll be over for me soon, too. So.
Now, Lewis isn't sure why flooding is a constant problem here. He said last he checked, Habitat for Humanity was working to get a permit to put an extra pipe in, but it hasn't happened yet. Now they're focused on raising money, particularly for their kids who lost everything. We have donation information on KSDK.com. Live in University City, Pepper Baker, 5 on your side.